Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to track your entire crypto portfolio using the Ledger Live all in one place. So let's get started. First, open your Ledger Live app on your desktop or mobile and make sure that your Ledger device is connected and unlocked. Then to add counts, in step 2, now add accounts in the sidebar, then click the add account and choose the crypto you want to track like the Bitcoin and more, and then follow the steps to sync your wallet with the Ledger Live. You can also import a multiple wallets from the Ledger or watch only addresses. Then here in the step 3, you can view the portfolio. Here you'll see the total balance, the value over time, the detailed charts of each asset, and here you can also track prices, changes, staking, the rewards, and recent transactions in real time. And that's how easily to track the crypto portfolio with Ledger Live. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and comment below if you want a deep dive into staking or NFT tracking with Ledger. See you next time. Thanks for watching.